Hello guys, today I'm battling a YouTuber. And this guy, you know you're going down, buddy. Bro, are you kidding me? He always goes first. Pretty slick move. And look at slick. I'm feeling confident. Damn, bro. Yeah. Ooh, I'm scared. Bro, this guy is literally, he said that he literally beat some YouTubers. But can he beat me? Okay, he beat the first one. Congrats, amiguito. Okay, that guy is about, you know that Yeti is about to be cooked. Pretty slick move. Another pretty slick move. But I have an Una reverse card. I am you. With the flash. Army. You accept. I don't feel bad for you, buddy. But I won this YouTuber. I won one YouTuber. I won two YouTubers. I won three YouTubers. I won four YouTubers, I think. Yeah. So, thank y'all for watching my video. I hope you liked and subscribe. Bye-bye.